Hi, this is Vanilla 1234 Vanilla. As you may have known earlier, I showed you a video on how to get into the Polish on World at War and Nazi zombies. It was a pretty bad video. I know that. You don't need to tell me. So, I'm making a new one. It's a lot better quality, and you can actually see what I'm doing. So as you can see, I am in a pole bush. Here comes some zombies. They will not be able to touch me. Form sort of like an invisible barrier. As you can see, there they are. And then you can just melt any zombies down. And it's pretty easy to get out of the glitch. So let me just... Okay. Now I'm going to show you how to get in. You want to come to about here. You want to jump sort of there. So you want to sprint, jump, and then crouch in midair. And it should say you can't stand here. I don't know if you can see that. Probably can't, but it does. And about right there is where the zombies should stop. Don't worry about them coming in here, because they can't. And same with through that door. They won't be able to get you, no matter what. So, I hope you like this video a lot more. Please subscribe to my channel.